Welcome! In front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up settings. Here we go. And here you want to navigate to About Phone. Scroll down, select Factory Reset, and then select Erase All Data. If you want to back up some of the data that is on your phone, you can do so right now, but assuming you have already done this or you just simply don't want to, you can progress by selecting Factory Reset. Now we do have a 10-second block right here letting us know that Factory Reset removes everything, and we cannot skip this. And then we have it again, because twice wasn't enough. Again, cannot skip this. So there we go. Once the timer is done, we can tap on OK, and this will begin factory resetting our device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.